Welcome to my dot coloring channel for beginners. This video is going to be a flip through of a coloring book by Rita Berman called Welt. First, remember, if you like these type of flip throughs, to give it a thumbs up so that I know what kind of videos to bring you guys in the near future. If you would like to see more dot coloring videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing really helps in supporting my channel and gives me the ability to be able to grow my channel and get it in front of as many adult coloring YouTubers as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload more adult coloring videos. In the description box is where you can find a link to my Facebook adult coloring group, where we do color alongs, live coloring chats, and coloring giveaways, if you would like to join us over there. In the description box, you also can find a link to my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter if you want to follow me on any one of those. I have also recently added a donate button for those who are looking to support my channel by donating. Any little amount helps with me being able to keep bringing new books and supplies to review for you guys on my channel. Now let's have some fun and get into this flip through. So this is a coloring book by Rita Berman, and actually my first by this artist. I love it because it's very whimsical and it's small, so great for me to tuck away in my purse and carry it along with me to my doctor appointments. This artist's books are usually themed by the season, and she has 4 more books that are themed summer, spring, winter, and fall. This one is themed as a close-up look of on land and the various things you would see. So let's take a look through the magnifying glass and see what we have. So as I said before, this book is really small. As you can see how small it is. It's not that big. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can get the whole picture. But it's not that big. It's a very small book. It's about, I say, 8 by 8. It is paperback, and it's about this thick. As you can see how thick it is. It's about that thick. It has a nice cover on it that you can color if you wanted to color it. And this one is themed on land, but it's in German, and she doesn't, I think it's a her. She only does, the books are only released in German, not in English. So it took a while for me to get this book. It took about a good 2 weeks to get this book. And they just started selling her books on Amazon, because I've never seen the book on Amazon before. I've heard of the artist, but I've never seen the book on Amazon. So I'm kind of happy to finally get a hold of one of her books and check it out with you guys. So this one is like a close-up look through a magnifying glass of on land, and I guess on land in German, where she lives. I guess some things are where she lives and some things aren't, but let's just have a look. And so this is the inside cover, and you can color the inside cover. It just flips out like this, and then you have a really pretty flower right here, and there's a little cute bee right here of the part that's colored. So it also has a little bee here at the beginning of the page, which is really cute. So I'm going to try to fold over the spine so I can show you guys it. The paper really feels like good paper. It's not that thin paper, so I'm hoping this is great paper. It's really, it's pretty thick. I paid $14 for it, so it's a nice size book for the amount of money. And like I said, it's in German, so I can't understand what it says, but I just call it Welt by Rita Berman. And so I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that. And so this one has just some pictures of animals on land, and it's really pretty. It has a parrot in there, a couple of birds. There's a house back there. It's an elephant. And I guess this page is just how you could, different ways you can look at the book, through different ways you can look in a magnifying glass and binoculars and a microscope. Have no idea what this says because it's German. Then you have on this one side a flower, which is really pretty. And I think these are bugs. They look like ladybugs almost. So I'm not sure what kind of bugs, but there's some type of, some of them look like ladybugs, but that one I'm not sure. So, then on this page you have some bees and some flowers. A lizard, which is really pretty. And then you have some more animals on this side. So it is on both, the pictures are on both sides of the paper. So if you were to use markers, you definitely would need to put something between your paper for bleed through. But it also has double pages, some double pages in it. And this is a double page if you wanted to frame it or something. And I just love the size of it, because if I wanted to take it on an appointment with me, I could just stick it right in my purse. And, oh, I like that. That's a pretty flower. So that's really pretty. I like that bee. So here you have a bunny with some fruit and bird. That's really pretty. So I was thinking I was going to have to color one of these pages on my channel. I don't know which page yet, but if you find a page you like, let me know in the comments and I will color it, of course. There's one page with just flowers if you want to practice your flowers. I love practicing my flowers. And I've seen this page done by other people before, and I really, really want to do this page. It's pretty. I just like the half of the butterfly. That's really pretty. And then there's a bunch of butterflies on this page with some flowers. And there's another flower here by itself. And on this page, there's like a little mouse in a house. That's cute. That's really cute. Ooh, I love the bee page. That's a cute page to do. And it also has the bees with butterflies and flowers on this side. And so I guess this is another page with bugs. It looks like a maze, almost. And then this side with a bug, maybe in the dirt, and a flower. Wow, is this a snail house? Like a snail? It looks like it. That's really nice. Snails and slugs. And this is a bird. Inside of the bird wing is houses. And I guess it's raining. That's different. And so then here you have a picture of a flower with some little fruit or just flowers. I'm not sure what those are. Berries or something. Maybe berries. I like the way she draws her bugs. Her bugs are really pretty. And I love this flower. This flower is gorgeous. And so you have more of the land creatures. A bunny. Looking through a magnifying glass. And so this is a house scene, which is really nice and different. I like that. I kind of like this picture too. It looks like coffee and honey, or tea and honey. Yeah, that's what that would be. And this looks like a fruit page. Maybe the inside of a lemon or orange or something. And these are lemons. Lemons and something else. Not sure what fruit, but it's a fruit. Maybe orange slices. And this looks like some bugs inside of, I'm not sure. A leaf? On a leaf. Bugs on a leaf. Yeah, that's what that is. And then this is leaves on this side. A porcupine? Nice. Really pretty. And so it's a lot of things going on this page for it to be small, but it's still a lot of things going on. I love that. And here you have squirrels inside of a tree. That's really cute. And then here you have like hives, like beehives, or they kind of little houses shaped like hives. It's cute. And I'm not sure what this is. I want to say it's a bunny rabbit, but I'm not sure. And then we have some berries over here. And some acorns. And some birds. It's really nice. And then here we have another bug. The way she does her bugs is just really whimsical and pretty. It makes me want to color a bug, and I never really want to color a bug, but she makes me want to color a bug. Reindeer. So I guess we're going into winter now. And that's a bunny. Snow. Polar bear. I think it's a bear. Then we have the stars, constellation. More animals. All kind of animals in this picture. Lots of animals. Oh, that's cute. There's a bird. I think it might be an eagle. It's Really pretty. So that's another double page. And here's another double page. So there's a couple of double pages in here if you like to do double pages. I know some people love their double pages, because you can do them alike. And it's a pineapple. And it's just some decorations. Oh, isn't that elephant beautiful? The elephant is so pretty. Has this little umbrella. And then you have a hummingbird over here, it looks like. Which is really pretty. And you have your ducks or your seagulls. That's cute. More fruit and a lizard. Is that an anteater? I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it has that nose of one. A giraffe. That's pretty. Oh, and then these are her 4 books that she has that are winter, spring, summer, and fall. But Amazon only had this one. So I'm not sure if Amazon has her other books. Then you have a little bit about her that I can't read you the details. But then on the back you have the flower again that you could color. And the bee. Well, that is the end of the book. That's the back side of it. And this is the back side. Nice. I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through of the Welt book by Rita Berman. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want me to do a page on my channel, let me know in the comments. Also, thank you for joining me. And have a colorful day. Bye.